Master Gift Card on Apple Store. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Master Gift Card on Apple Store. So the first thing you need to know is if you want to buy from the Apple Store physically or you want to buy anything online, you can use Master Gift Card on both methods. The Mastercard will look like this. So the next thing is it contains your name, all the normal details like a normal credit card or debit card. So you just have to select any of the product that you want to buy and go to the checkout section. In the checkout section, you will easily be able to find the payment option. Now you can simply add the card details here and order. In order to buy it physically, you just have to go to store, and whenever they will want you to pay, you have to say that I will want to pay using my card, and then you will give your MasterCard and they will enter it in the machine and you will swipe it or enter your card pin, and that's all. That's how you will be able to use Master Gift Card on Apple Store. That's all.